Class 6 English Lesson 7 Rain in Summer. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two. 1. How does the poet describe the rain? Answer. The poet describes the rain in a vivid manner. The words used in the poem reminds us of the rain pouring nearby. 2. What is the sound of the rain falling on the roofs like? A. The bleat of the sheep. B. The sound made by the feet of running horses. C. The marching of soldiers. Answer. The sound of the rain falling on the roofs like the sound made by the feet of running horses. 3. How does the rainwater come out of the spout of the pipe? Answer. The rainwater comes out of the spout of the pipe by gushing and struggling. 4. Which words or phrases help you understand that it is a heavy rain? Answer. The phrases clatters along the roofs, like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout, help me understand that it is a heavy rain. 2. Read the poem once more and answer the following. 1. The rhyming pairs in the poem are roofs, hoofs out, spout lane, pain pause, rose white tide. 2. Another simile in the poem is, the gutter roars like a river.